Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another signal review. Today we are going to take a look at the group called the Genesis, which consists of Dr. Matthew, Dr. Martin and Styliskis. Now it's not doctor as in PhD doctor. It's doctor like Dr. Malinga, Dr. Matthew, you know, Dr. Drake, Dr. Dre, that type of doctor, right? So firstly, I want to say thank you to the gentleman who was able to send me the information to be able to make this video possible for you guys today. Now, if you go through the Instagram, it is the lifestyle, as you can see, lifestyle, and it's just the lifestyle Instagram. There's now no blue screens, which is good to see. And then going over to Styliskis, you can see over there, the price for a one-on-one mentorship is 10,000 Rand. What am I going to get for 10,000? So if I want to do one-on-one mentorship and I want to leave from Cape Town to wherever you guys are, which is in Gauteng, I have to pay 10k plus the, I don't even know if I'm going to become like a Styliskis, right? Mentorship's 5,000 Rand, trading signals is 1,000 Rand, and I must say, it explains a lot of things, right? But let's go over the content as we receive. There's the Genesis. We're going to take a look at January and some of February as well. Now, the one thing I do want to say is that the signals does come with an entry, stop loss and TP. However, some of it doesn't come with it, right? Some just comes with nothing at all. And we're going to discuss that. You can also see that the pips between the prices are not that much. So the movements are very short in the tradings also, right? But there's a lot of good things that we can take away from the way they do handle their business. And let's start with the 4th of January over here. Now this signal, as you can see, was sent on the 4th of January. Whoever got removed there probably didn't pay for the new month. You can see there that signal was sent at 12:38 on the 4th of Jan, and there you can go 4th of Jan, 12:30 something. And this is on the 15-minute. If you're in the 1 hour, you'd be able to see, let me just do it like this. Here you go, there. So you can actually see it a little bit better over there. So there you can see. So this price was actually triggered here because it was sent at 12:38. And if you go on the 15-minute candle, you can see that that was a 12:30 candle, and the 12:38 was still in development right at this level. Yeah, boy, let's go. Here we go, right? So yeah, you can see over there 12:30, 12:38. But the thing is, the price is sitting at 37,459. There you can see the SL is at 37,480 and the TP is at 37,580, which you can see over there. Even if you do take the price to where it's supposed to be, 37,495, 37,495, the stop loss at 37,480 was hit. You can see here we did go into some profit over there. The market then U-turned and the stop loss got taken out. You can see here a very short stop loss, which kind of explains why. These are the kind of things that you're probably going to see a lot of, but however, things does get better on there as well. Now they are still asking who's still holding with me, and there's probably just one guy, but he says TP hit with 1,000 plus. However, the stop loss had hit unless there is some sort of concrete evidence to say that it did not hit, right? We'll never know because the way I got the information, I would have probably had to see that one. Send results, but you can see there are not a lot of interactions with that as well. That one was sent from Styliskis himself. And then obviously there was people who changed their phone numbers, and then there was another signal sent on the 9th of January from also from Styliskis that we're gonna go over here very quickly. Here you can see beautiful trade, beautifully executed. You can see this trade was sent at the 9th of January at 1844. This is 1845. That's where 1844 started. You can see the price 34,790, 37,490, 37,550. 37,900. Sorry about that. 37. Let me just make sure I got this right. So the TP is at 37,900. So that is not right here. That is supposed to be 37,900, right? It can't be. Like, was he really planning on TP at 37? Exposing. Yeah, I'm not so sure though, eh? I mean, so there. The stop loss is correct. 37 for 50. 37 for 80. How did I get this wrong? Am I even at the right place? There we go. 37, 9th of January, 9th of Jan, buy the Dow Jones at 6:45. Yep, that's it. Okay, so this is kind of what it looked like over there. Obviously, if you held this trade long enough, you'd have probably been able to milk the market. Don't forget to put your SL at break even. So that's kind of good to see that there is updates in between, that they are telling the people, you know, move your stop loss to BE. And this is kind of the stuff that you want to see with a lot of these signal groups. Another good thing here is there's no blue screens. Maybe there was, but there's no blue screens about this trading history. Sorry, about the way that they do trade, right? Next one, we've got 11th of January, another buy on the Dow Jones, which was this one over here. There you go. There we go. And that one was sent just before 3 o'clock, right? Here you can see there we had a move to the upside and then a dump to the downside. But again, I believe there was an update sent on that. You can see there 37,730. Let me just do that very quickly. 37,730, 37,800. The stop loss 37,700. Here you can see TP is open until CPI. Unfortunately, the trade didn't last until CPI because there you can see the stop loss had hit. But like I said, the good thing is that the stop losses, there is a stop loss first of all, and they're not that huge, so that kind of makes it good, right, for the normal trader. Next up, we're going to take a look at gold. Now, gold was also sent by Stylish Keys. I wonder what it means. He's probably like a DJ or something. Stylish Keys. But in any case, Stylish Keys blessed the people with a gold trade that didn't actually go as anticipated, right? Now, this gold was sent at 1335. There you can see there 1330. The price was at 2026.30. There you can see 2026.30. Profit was at 2040, and then 2024 was the SL. And again, one thing that you can see is that these prices are not very far from each other, right? It's very tight movements that is expected to take place in the market, but unfortunately this trade didn't even start, and you can quickly gauge that when you see that there's no stop loss. There's no updates, right? Next trade that we got over here is from Dr. Matthew himself. Buy the Dow Jones at the current price, and then this was a very fast trade. 15:29, 5 minutes later there was an update sent. So we're going to go to the Dow Jones very quickly on the 17th of January, and let's just scroll very quickly to that trade over there. You can see, here we go. So you can see here the trade was sent about there, and then the then move stops to entry and send results. Again, there's no stop loss, no TP in this case. However, if you did hold on to the trade, you would have probably gotten some nice profits there, because that's a good place to put your TP. If you didn't, then you would have probably just came down and got stopped out at break even. But they did say that move stops to entry and send results. Like, how do you... So when you say move stops to entry, do you mean they should close it? Because what results are they supposed to send if the trade is still undergoing, right? A Red Bull a day keeps the power away. Any case, good evening everyone. We are officially back to work in this year. That's beautiful to hear, Galogu. So yeah, we can kind of gauge. I don't know how many people is in this group, but there's about 53 reactions. I would probably say they also make some good money, because they do charge 1,000 Rand for this, right? So but again, Dr. Martin, on the 21st of January, there was a signal that was sent just after 11th, 26th of January. That's a long way down the road. There we go. Okay, that trade didn't really go that far, and then it made a U-turn Let me just move that there. There you can see we got into some profit. The market did make a U-turn, and I believe that 30 points within send results. So I'm not sure how that worked out, right? You can see the stop loss was at 37,912 and the stop loss was at 37,912 over there. However, you can see how there's an inconsistency. Now there's currently no price. Market price is no TP as well. But again, they do say that 90 points within profit send results. So it is, I don't know. It was sent by Dr. Martin. Stylish Keys is asking for 90 points of profit. Then there was a trade on the German 30 index, which was allocated right here. It was sent on the 23rd of January, which is the only trade I believe was sent for the German 30. Let's go there very quickly. Right, this trade was, yes, this was a double whammy. The first trade was sent there. That stop loss was hit. You can see there. The stop loss hit at 130 Rand per position. I don't know how you guys calculate that because there's no indication of the risk that is being calculated, right? But like I always say, that trade also is at 16654 there. That one also hit. So that was a double SL hit within the same day. Overall, I don't know really if anybody is in this group, right? I don't know, man. Like maybe someone can make me understand, right? Because I always think that if you pay, like if I have to say DJ Coach charge like 240 Rand, wave 3 is on the moves, I still have to get there. But if you have to pay 1,000 Rand, bro, you're gonna have to do a little better than this, right? A little bit better than this, especially if it's 1,000 Rand. Did we say it's 1,000 Rand per month, or is it 1,000 Rand per day? Let's go over here quickly. Is it 1,000 Rand there monthly? You know, if you're gonna charge people 1,000 Rand monthly, at least make sure that they make the money back that they have paid you, right? That stop loss was it. That was 2 stop losses hit, right? We're moving. Let's hold on. Each position floating 200 plus. Again, I don't know how you guys make these things up, right? Firstly, it is just one of those things where you would wish you could ask people's input on these trades, but I can't. I have to just go with what is in front of me. That is why I say, guys, you are fully entitled to have your opinion on these signals, and if you are in this group, you're more than happy to come and tell me. I will send you my trade history, and then you never send it. Don't worry, be happy. Okay, next trade, the Stylish Keys did send another price, 37,963. Stop loss 39,740. 37,940. You can see the tight stop losses, TP 38,050 and 35,805, 37,940, and there you can see. Alright, we got into some profit over there, then the stop loss hit, then the market went as they anticipated. US30 moving nicely. There you can see put stops at break even. I would believe this was a break even trade then. Probably somewhere around this area over there. But yeah, so you can also just look at the prices, right? Like you can just check the prices and you'll see how quick these moves are that they do trade. I would probably say that these signals would probably be worth like 250, maybe 300, because I don't think this is worth 1,000 Rand per month, or maybe 1,000 Rand once off, right? I don't. You guys can decide. 25th of January, there was another trade sent over there, got into some profit, then that stop loss hit. Also, there you can see the 25th of January, it was sent there at 11:21. There you can see the trade started moving very nicely. There you can see reached resistance, printed a W, broke below the neckline, came back, and then hit further. That moved to the downside. Yeah, they say we're pushing, put SL, adjust TP to 38,100, which is what I did. Not actually did. Either way, that did not hit, as you can see. We're gonna do that very quickly. 38,100, and that's it. This trade did not move at all. I don't know how. Then Dr. Matthew Martin came back on 26th of January, sent another trade. This was a beautiful trade that was sent on the 26th. buy the Dow Jones. Again, no TP, no market price, but the stop loss was there, 1137, which was sent right in here, right? It was executed. I just put it there because I would believe that's where it is. I did mark the stop loss at 37,951, which is allocated right over there. You can see there. So if you did not close this trade there, where would it would have been a beautiful place, your stop loss would have hit there. But I believe there was an update sent on this trade that you guys are more than happy to go. She is position floating 400. Please send the results. US 30 chopping very hard. Now you can see when you can see the difference about when a trade goes into good profit and when a trade does not go into good profit. The confidence just gets restored. Meanwhile, people had already blew their accounts a long time ago. So just make sure that you guys do also ask people, you know, did you make any money using my signals and whatever the case is. I don't know why we're going back. And then on the 1st of February, there was another Dow Jones trade that was sent here, which also didn't go too well. As you can see, the trade was sent there. Stop loss did hit, and there you can see. Let me just go. I don't know. Let me just go there. That was the last trade. You can see someone's crying there. 38,190. Eyeball Richie. 38,190. Stop loss 38,170. You can see there. It's about 20 points. You know, 20 points to 100 points. I don't know how you guys read these things, but you can see it's quite tight, right? My conclusion on this, you know, I don't like to have my opinions. Well, I do have opinion, but this is not worth 1,000 rand. Unfortunately, you know, we'll put you in the bracket with DJ Coach, you know, where you know, we will put you in that bracket where you're not as good as you look, kind of thing. You understand? Ja, toka, verstaan jy? Okay, but I would probably suggest that you just work on your prices, because I would pay you 300 and I'll be fine with that. Thank you for your time, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And remember, thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for the ears.